Hi, to enable wireless power sharing on your Vivo X100 Pro, we would need to go in the settings first. So let's swipe up to open drawer and here select the settings. Now what we are gonna do is to find the battery tab and after that go in the battery health and charging. And now you can see reverse wireless charging feature. So your phone can wirelessly charge other devices if they have this feature as well. To use it, just tap on this switcher and here you can see how to use it properly. So you can just enable to do not remind me again or simply tap got it. And now this feature is enabled, so let's try this out. I'm gonna take this 14 Pro Max which supports this feature as well and place it on the back part of the phone, and now it is charging. You can see the charging animation and the screen icon. Let's try this one more time, and yeah, it's charging. So when you're done charging another phone, you can just disable this feature by tapping on the switcher. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.